Hi guys, it's in the past. What are you doing if you're not subscribed? Hi guys, it's been a minute, maybe two, maybe three, four, maybe a lot, but yeah, when you see this, other videos will be up, so don't cover me. But I'm currently studying. I have a midterm tomorrow. Look at that. Look, I don't even think you can see anything. Yeah, I have a midterm tomorrow. Oh, by the way, new space per. We're still, getting some things around, but we're getting there. And that's what matters. But yeah, guys, as I was saying, I'm studying for a midterm. But can I be so honest? The school thing, guys, it's hard. It's really hard. Like, being in uni, being an international student, guys, it's like 3 million things on your mind at once. I don't know how people are doing it, but if you're feeling what I'm feeling right now, I'm sending prayers for real, because it's just hard. Anyways, I just came to show proof of life. Thanks for sticking to me for these past 2 minutes. Hopefully the stuff following after this makes more sense. Goodbye. So I just finished my midterm. It was not the best, I will not lie to you. As much as I studied, like, I think it was difficult. And I just want to say to all my women in STEM, big ups to you guys, because I don't know how y'all doing the whole psychology thing as a degree. I still kind of fathom, but anyways, at the end of the day, it's in the past. So yeah, I'm back home now. I'm basically done with midterms for the week. Next week I got 2 more. I think I'm gonna start learning for that now. Yeah, I'm hosting a Thanksgiving or Friendsgiving this weekend at my friend's place. So I was gonna host it at mine, but then the convenience of it all, so I was just like, okay, let's just host it there. So I need to go buy a chicken tomorrow because we're in university and anybody got money for a turkey. This is giving very much Friendsgiving university / international student edition, because right, yeah. So I'm gonna get a chicken tomorrow. I'm gonna go to my friend's place, start marinating it, and then I'm gonna start cooking it on Saturday. I'm kind of really used to like planning these things. I can't, like, my friends are looking at me and they're like, you're being so extra. But in my household, if you're gonna do something, you're gonna do it right. So that's what I'm doing. So tomorrow we're gonna make a chicken for the first time. I've helped my mom over the years, but like, to make it myself, guys, gotta make the stuffing, gotta make everything. So tonight I'm going to study, going to also brush up on the recipe and whatnot for tomorrow. And yeah, I like this. I love this moment in my life where it's like I'm studying my own traditions and like I'm doing my own things, and it's making me happy that I'm getting to do that, because one day I can pass that on to my children and their children. And yeah, so let's de-stress after that. And yeah, guys, so I woke up not too long ago. It's Friday. I just posted my new YouTube video. So if by the time you're watching this, that won't be out, so make sure you go watch that. Thank you. And yeah, so I'm trying to do that. I'm about to edit for my back to school one. That should be out on Sunday. It should be out on Sunday, so that's what I'm gonna try to do. So I'm already in the process right now. Can't lie, guys, I'm a bit stressed because, you know, I just have a bunch of things I have to do this weekend, plus trying to keep myself as sane as possible. So yeah, I'm going to spend at least the next hour and a half doing that. Then I think like 4 p.m. I'm gonna go to Billingsbridge, go get the chicken and stuff for like the Thanksgiving dinner. And then I'm also gonna head over to the place that we're doing Friendsgiving at and start prepping for tomorrow. So I'm gonna take you guys all with me, okay? All right, so let me just start. I'm also gonna be watching the Real Housewives of Lagos, which is like probably like my favorites out of the Housewives franchise. So yeah, thanks guys. So I'm basically done editing. Like I literally sat down and made sure that I finished. So I really just have to make like a thumbnail, a couple other stuff, which I will honestly do later. But yeah, I'm about to eat some food. Just listen. Actually, last night Tanya came over to sleep in my house because I was just feeling really down and I just needed somebody. And Tanya came over and she stayed with me. Oh yeah, she brought food as well. So I have pasta and then some ribs that my roommate ate as well. So I'm about to finish off the Real Housewives because I can't lie guys, I could not multitask for some weird reason. So I'm gonna watch the Real Housewives and then eat my pasta, and then we're going to get ready because we need to dip. Okay. All right, so this is what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing some pants and a top. Oh god, this I got from high school. It says hey something. I thought it's on certified graduate. It's really cute. But yeah, ooh, why is this thing blurry? Yeah, so I've packed my stuff. I'm gonna stay with my friends. Alexa, pause the music. Yeah, I'm gonna stay with my friends, so I'm quickly going to just get the stuff that I need to cook the chicken and stuff, and then yeah, I'm in a bit of a hurry, so when I settle down then I'll talk to you guys. Like when we go going shopping and stuff, I'll talk to you guys soon. Claims to have a camera.
Hey YouTube, so this is actually a YouTube takeover. I am now the sole owner of this channel.
Alright, so guys, we're going to some Adonis place. I don't know.
Wait guys, like I'm even thinking, do we have it's just that like I'm only going there because I know like that's where they sell gizzard. And I don't know if they sell gizzard at what's it called?
Walmart.
Because if anything, we could have just gone to Walmart now. That would be sure.
Okay. We're in Adonis. We didn't end up going to the Walmart. Oh, where's Tiny, bro? Why is Tiny going? Follow us as we come and go shopping. Bro, I need onions. I'm getting for what's up? Huh? I'm getting for what's up? Huh? I'm getting the one for what's up? Okay. Oh wait, I'm on that for the what's up. Alright guys, so where we got the stuff. Teddy, where's the Dollarama? Okay guys, what other stuff? It was pretty interesting.
I'm broke now. Nobody should ever ask me to buy anything again.
So yeah, we got, I cannot even lie to you, I literally got the chicken and like some other bacon. I didn't even get a lot of stuff because bro,
How much is it?
like 24. Cause then again most of this, like I realized I was doing a chicken. Most of the stuff I'm going to spend more money on is in Dollarama.
I'm actually kind of mad because I feel like with some fruits, like the tomato, the peppers is been cheap. Because if not,
I don't know.
she said that she bought how many peppers for like.
But yeah, so we're going to Dollarama, going to get the rest of the stuff, and then guys, we're gonna head home. But I'm tired. I'm real tired, and we haven't even started cooking yet. Okay? Yeah. So Angel is nowhere to be found.
Angel,
when you see this,
sending us videos.
when you see this, when I catch you, Ricky. Listen, Honey and I don't know what kind of like this is very like everything, like we can just be there and we say the same thing at the same time.
Actually bad.
Like we have some serious like to twin to like it's insane. What's it? You said sing that the video song. We said forever. Yeah, we out of nowhere we both just said forever. And I turned, I was like, just now. There is no way, but yeah. So we're just sitting here waiting. It's pretty boring. Guys, they had a Tiger. He's back in OTT.
Yeah, back. It's been a while still. You know? This is my thing.
Ronald's like, this is my thing.
This is my, you know, that. My thing.
My thing.
Don't get the cheese pop.
So first of all, guys, I'm gonna start by wrapping the chicken. Tiny's doing gizdoodoo. So there's that. Just gonna unpack everything. So this is for Tiny. This is also for Tiny. Mine. This is my chicken. That's a chicken here. Got the potatoes for the stuffing. Put it around. So guys, now I'm done washing the chicken and all of that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna base it in some oil, olive oil to be exact. Just gonna base it in a bit of olive oil. I feel like this. Oh, is that something? At the door? This much on, because we really want to make sure that our chicken is very like woo. Okay, so yeah, as I said, the stuffing is gonna be tomorrow, so we're not really gonna do all that today. Now here. So we got garlic salt, thyme. Where's the other? Bonnie! Careful. Got some bay leaf, aniseed. There's some other herb spices here as well. Yeah. I'm gonna put the herbs in here. Guys, I'll be honest, when you're in an African home, you don't really like measure when it comes to cooking. The baking, but like not when it comes to cooking. Okay, some garlic salt in there. I'm gonna put some aniseed as well. Aniseed goes really well with like chicken. and stuff. I already put, and I'm gonna put some thyme in there. Okay. Alright. And then we're gonna put in some pepper. Now the pepper, we're just gonna go a bit light on it. Because we're not trying to, you know, do too much. Okay. I think that's enough pepper. Okay. Just gonna mix it all up. Lovely. And that's not there. And then you're just gonna rub it into the chicken, honestly. Just really rub it in, make sure it goes everywhere. In between the wings, like, bro, it needs to look all nice and juicy. Yeah. Okay. Why don't you want, oh, onions. Oh my gosh, Tanya, look at the chicken. Doesn't it look so good? Okay. I'm gonna put on the back of the okay, I think I'm gonna just make a quick extra just to the rest of the. Okay guys, so I'm done making the, I'm just done doing the chicken. I don't want to put raw chicken on this, but it's in the fridge right now. Now we're going to bake brownies. Huh? So we're about to make the brownies. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so we have 4 pans of brownies ready. I also got the stuffing down there ready as well. That will be done tomorrow. Got Khalees on FaceTime. No wait, Khalees, I can't see you like that. But yeah, we're gonna get these in the oven and then yeah. Alright guys, so updates. 2:24 a.m. Oh, because it's 2:24 a.m. Well, finally finishing off the dodo, and today Chani has chefed it up. These are the brownies. They're cooling down everything. The chicken, I've already put it in the fridge. My friend's place is marinating. I'm gonna do all of that stuff tomorrow. We're gonna also top all the brownies and stuff tomorrow or today. But I'm gonna get myself a good night's rest. So I'll talk to you guys in the morning. But it's just gonna cut off from here. So Tanya looks distressed. Say bye. Hi guys, so I just woke up and I went to bed at like 4 a.m. I'm literally, it's like 12 now. So I need to start getting the chicken into the oven because it's gonna take a while to, you know, start everything. And yeah, I need to do that and also not to stuff the chicken and blah 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 blah. I think I'm going to do the brownies at like 3 or something, but I'm gonna start with the chicken for now. So let's go do that.
Phenomenon. Colding. Colding.
Okay guys, so we're done with the brownies. I can't lie, I ate. Never did really hear me. Anyways, the chicken is in the oven still. It's been there for like an hour now. Still, you know, trying to brown and whatnot. So it's currently it's basically 2 o'clock right now. So I'm gonna just start my day. Gonna put the brownies aside to let everything cool and whatnot, and then yeah, I look a mess, but don't worry, I'm gonna look all pretty. So yeah, talk to you guys in a bit. Bye.
Just for the record. If they like with the job at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. But so plain bear more. You go do your one time, I go for one time, I'm to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up. That's what they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them moving. Question, but then no get the answer.